Analysis Module and Virtual Classroom. By the end of this video, you will be able to review results, replay video of an exercise, use the virtual classroom, generate reports. After a student completes a task, the teacher's software lets you review the results in the Students section. On the navigation header, click on Students. Double-click on the name of the student whose activity you wish to review. Click on the list icon from a course to review the student's records. A list of the modules and its tasks will be shown, along with the attempts to pass the tasks. Each attempt is named with the date and time that it was executed. And it has an icon on the left indicating with a green check mark if the attempt was passed, or with a red X if it was not. Find the attempt that you wish to review in more detail. Click on the play icon on its right to replay the simulation video and view the overall score. Additionally, we have detailed graphs and scores for each one of the technique parameters: work angle, travel angle, CTWD, travel speed, and aim. Virtual Classroom. The Virtual Classroom section of the teacher software shows the instructor what's happening in the AugmentedArc classroom in real time, including a score for each skill and a pass or fail score for each student. Click on Virtual Classroom on the navigation header. Select the course that is currently ongoing in the classroom. A list of the students logged in with an AugmentedArc is displayed along with the status of their current activity: offline, connected, theory, quiz, simulation, and analysis. Now, let's click on the student's name that we want to view detailed information about their activity. In this case, we are showing the technique and overall graphs and scores of the student while welding in real time. Reports. The teacher software can generate different reports that can be accessed from the Courses and Students tabs. Some of them are Course Lists Report, Course Global Report, Student Course Average Report, Histogram Report, and many more. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.